everybody, my name is Nine, but you can call me Nine because I'm your best YouTube friend. And today we are going to be making fluffy slime! Now, I've actually never made fluffy slime before, so I'm copying this off some other YouTubers. It took me a while to find the ingredients and all that, but I finally got it! So I'm so excited to make fluffy slime today. And I just did a test one. And I'm still waiting for it to kind of work. But let's get to this fluffy slime. So I'll show you guys the ingredients in just a second. Okay, so it's been a second. And so what you're gonna be needing is this is my test container. So you're gonna be needing just a container, some contact solution, some white glue or clean glue if you want to. I don't really, and some shaving foam. Shaving foam. Shaving cream, if you want. I use foam. And mixing glue. Let's get making. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to put the glue into the container, as usual. It might take a while if I just pour it out from the tip. What? Alright. So you're just going to pour a little bit of there. We'll just get the glue. Come back. And okay. And then you're going to be putting in the shaving cream. Sorry, shaving foam. Okay. So you're gonna want to put a lot. So it's gonna be like fluffy slime. There you go. Okay. This is how much shaving foam I put in there. You want to give it a little good mix. Just so the PVA glue gets used to shaving cream. They become friends. Contact solution. Remember, we're not using any activator because the contact solution is going to make it slime. So, I'm going to pop that thing open. I'm just going to press it. Okay, then. And I'm just going to mix it around. As you can see, it's starting to become slime. There we go. Now, in more than a minute, it should already start coming together and becoming slime. Because the contact solution is very strong and really bonds with the slime. There you go, your container. If it's a little too sticky, you can put some more into contact. There we go. I'm just going to continue on mixing. This helps it like not be that sticky, the contact solution. And it's also the activator. But first, when we need it, I'm just gonna I meant like jelly. You're just gonna, we're trying, without sticking, you're gonna put it. I love the sound of that. It's just so satisfying to me. Like, it may not be satisfying for you guys, but it's just so satisfying for me. Yeah, I might add little drops because shaving foam is starting to come out on the table. And this, not just that this makes it not sticky and that it's the activator, but it also keeps it all together. I'm sorry, it's getting so dark. I'm gonna go turn the lights. So hopefully that's better. Oh, there we are. It's beautiful. So shout out to Patrick Lay. shout out to Jane Paladino. She has really helped me doing my videos, and she's given me suggestions to do it through. Shout out to Delaney Woodham. She has helped me with my attitude in the videos on how to make other people's days better when they watch my videos. Shout out to Danunjay. He's actually, well, he's very entertaining, which reminds me that I have to be entertaining and that I have to keep you guys laughing. You know what I mean? So, shout out to Naomi and Lisa Woodham. Please stay safe, and I hope you guys like this video. Sorry, yeah, hopefully it's made your day better, and hopefully that I entertained you more. So please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and don't forget to put on your notification bell. So, yep. But before I end this video, I just want to say, hopefully this works for you guys. Please stay safe, and please comment down below if you want me to do a video about something that you want me to do about. Like, for example, rice slime. Or let's say aloe vera slime. Because I have aloe vera right there. I could do it now. Who knows? So please comment down below